Hello everyone, so this is computer science practical, and we are going to count the number of vowels, number of consonants, number of uppercases and lower cases in a given text file. So that is what practical we are going to deal with presently. So as we see that here we have a test file within Python D drive, and this test file contains a script. So this script, I will be going ahead and knowing what are the number of vowels that we have. I just need to, uh, go ahead. The number of vowels, comma, consonants, comma, uppercase and lower case. So this is what I'm saving this test document, and I'm going to code for the same. Txt, and I am going to open it in read mode. Right? So once I open it in read mode, then I can go ahead. I will have to read the lines. So I can say lines is equal to if dot read, if I'm just reading the file. Okay, now I'm going to go for each character. So before I go on, I have to initiate the variables that I'm using. Like I'm using V for vowels, C for consonants, U for uppercase, and L for uppercase, and all I'm initiating it to 0. Now here what I'm doing for CH, each character in lines, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have an if loop. I'm going to have an I is equal to I plus 1. So this is what I'm going to have. So I will initiate I also is equal to 0. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, if ch dot is lower, if it is lower, then what I'm going to do, if it is lower, then I'm going to say L plus equal to 1. That is L is equal to L plus 1. Else, what does it? So else means elif. Else, if I find ch dot is upper, what I'm going to do? U plus equal to 1. That is u is equal to u plus 1. Okay, so this is for lower and upper case. The next, what are the two cases mean? I need to find out whether it's a vowel or a consonant. So if ch in, I have to provide the list. I have to provide the list. So I will have to provide the list in this format. So A, comma, E, A, E, I, O, comma, U. So if this is there, then what I do, then I say V plus equal to 1. And if the rest of them C, D, F, G, H, I is then J, Q, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, P, W, X, Y, Z. I will say what? I will say it is C plus equal to 1. Alright. So this is where I will come. Then I can always give number of consonants as C. Then I can have number of uppercase as U, and number of lowercase is L. Okay, and when I'm doing these, okay, ch dot lower in or ch dot lower. Okay, so if I do this, it will convert it into lower. Executing it. So see, I'm getting this. This is the result. Sure. Thank you.